Without it, we wouldn't have either tequila or mezcal. Agave is the secret to these beautiful spirits. Although agave was first described in 1753 by Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus in his book Species Plantarum, this plant has been part of human culture for a long time. Remains of agave used in human contexts date back 10,000 years. It was considered a sacred plant by the pre-Columbian tribes of Mexico. It was nourishment and a water source. Agave fibers were also used to produce clothing, footwear, building materials, animal food, and paper. Also called maguey, an imported term from the Antilles, agave was central to religious rituals and sacrifices. For example, it was used to produce pulque, an alcoholic milky white beverage made from fermented agave juice, aguamiel. It was believed that pulque could purify the body and help the drinker communicate with gods. Captives drank it before a battle, and the priests and those who were sacrificed imbibed it during rituals. According to a theory, after distillation was introduced in Mexico by the Spanish, agave started to be used to make alcoholic drinks, mezcal, and tequila. Nowadays, agave has many uses, not just for making spirits. For example, it is used as an anti-inflammatory ingredient in the form of a powder, infusion, or nectar. It is also edible and can be used as a paste or nectar while cooking. But what is agave? It is a genus of succulent plants belonging to the family Asparagaceae. From the Greek word agwo, meaning noble or illustrious, agave is native to southern parts of North America, Central America, the West Indies, and northern parts of South America. It grows in arid, semi-arid, and temperate forests at about 9,000 feet, 2,750 meters above sea level. There are more than 200 species of agave found in a wide range of sizes and colors, from pale green to blue-gray. Many are characterized by a rosette of thick, succulent, and strong fibrous leaves that bear teeth along the edges and, in most cases, a sharp terminal spine. They range from a few inches to 8 feet, 2.5 meters in length, and up to 30 feet, 9 meters in height. Pollinated by bats and insects, most species are monocarpic, meaning they flower once and then die. Just a few can bloom several times during their lives. Agaves grow slowly and bloom when they are about 10 to 20 years old, and they can survive for up to 30 years. Types of agave. As mentioned earlier, there are many different species of agave. Let's have a look at those most commonly used for tequila and mezcal. Named after the French military doctor and botanist Frederic Albert Constantin Weber, who first described it, Agave tequilana Weber azul, blue agave or tequila agave, is rich in fibers with a slight blue layer on the leaves. Used for the production of tequila due to its high sugar content, blue agave grows up to 6 feet, 1.8 meters tall. The lance-shaped leaves end in a brown, sharp terminal spine and margined teeth. Once flowered, the plant produces a stalk, quiote, with 20 to 25 branches and yellow flowers. After flowering, the rosette dies. Between 80 and 90% of mezcal is made with espadín, a variety that belongs to Agave angustifolia, the same species to which Agave tequilana Weber azul belongs. With roasted agave notes, espadín is the most commonly used variety. It takes 6 to 8 years to mature and can be cultivated easily. In addition, it is less fibrous than other agave species, so it is easier to process the fruit after roasting. Also, it contains a high inulin content, allowing for efficient alcohol production. In Mexico, Agave potatorum, varietal tobala, grows wild.